Hello and welcome to AMT Specialist Cars here in Leeds. And thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video on this absolutely stunning piece of performance machinery. So we are very proud to be bringing to market this Audi RS6 Avant V8 Carbon Black. Now the vehicle certainly does speak for itself with regards to its styling, performance and equipment levels. And this particular model is finished in the Special Audi Silver Metallic paintwork with black rock, grey leather, Audi Sport seats. Now this model comes to us and has just covered 19,534 miles, and it has absolutely fantastic specification, and I'd certainly like to take you through those details on this video. So to start off with, up top on the vehicle is the sliding glass panoramic sunroof, and on the interior we also have a Bang & Olufsen sound system. As we can see on the exterior, the 22-inch 5 V-spoke trapezoidal style in Anthracite Black and Diamond-turnedAlloy Wheels, which not only fill those wheel arches out perfectly, but look absolutely stunning against the Audi Silver. More features on the interior, such as the Audi virtual cockpit. We have ambient lighting, the RS black leather sports seats, privacy glass of course from the B-pillar backwards matching the panoramic sunroof, red brake calipers, Audi Sport Puddle lights, and a whole host of features which we're going to be seeing on the interior in just a moment. Certainly worth mentioning, we have the 360-degree camera on this vehicle to add to the front and rear sensors to provide all parking needs. And having a look inside, we can clearly see the condition and the finish matches that exterior perfectly. So here's where we have the upholstery, the RS embossed seats, carbon fibre trim elements down the door card and across the dashboard. And we can see the virtual cockpit, which can be fully customised for style and content, and the twin touchscreens in the centre, not only for the ventilation but for the full satellite navigation, multimedia systems, Bluetooth, and of course all of those parking aids will come up on that display. Just heading into the rear of the vehicle, of course with this being the RS6, practicality is one of its fortes. An absolutely huge boot and ample space for the rear seat passengers. You can see down on the floor here the Audi Sport Puddle lights, very distinctive at night, along with a lot of the other indirect lighting inside the vehicle. Some other features we have are 2-position memory seats for the driver, again with those controls just being over here on the door edge. Wireless charging and functions such as cruise control, automatic headlights, rain sensitive wipers, and a whole host of features to add to that incredible specification list. So we are delighted to be bringing this one to market. I do hope you find this video informative. If there are anything that has been missed, you're welcome to get in touch and we'll provide you with another personal video or get the details over the phone. But we can also assist all under one roof with our in-house funding options for any customers requiring extended warranty. We can also assist with. And if you would like to keep the vehicle looking in this stunning condition, we have partnered with Auto Glim to provide you with exterior and interior Life Shine vehicle treatment. So thank you once again for your inquiry. We'll be in touch very shortly with the calculations. Bye for now.